Hi everybody, welcome back to my workshop. I just wanted to take a few moments to acknowledge the fact that I passed 1,000 subscribers. I think this morning I was at like 1,010, and I want to appreciate all my new subscribers and thank them for joining me in this these fun builds here over the years. And it's kind of bittersweet because I think there's a lot of fellas that were subscribing to me when I first started out, and that I was subscribed to also that I don't see as much anymore. And I won't start naming names because I'm sure I'd miss a few. But it's kind of too bad. I don't see a lot of the old gang as much anymore. But I do appreciate those that have hung on. They're still out there building and watching and commenting and giving tutorials and helps and stuff. And for all the gang that are the new subscribers that are joining in, thank you for that. And I hope you're enjoying the builds as well. And I just wanted to say thanks, and in appreciation I made a little video. I made this quite a while back and I've been saving it, so I'm going to show it to you now. Just some of the things that I've learned over the years. I started building in the summer or so of 2014, and I think I started on YouTube in 2015 after watching some of the other videos over the winter 2014 and 2015, and then realizing there's a community out there. So here's a few tips and tricks that I picked up over the years, and I think you'll enjoy. Thanks for watching and following along, and we'll talk to you again soon. On this model, the luggage rack looks crooked, and the weight is not properly distributed. You want to ensure your wheels are properly aligned so they're all going in the same direction. With this one, I had a hard time fitting the fender skirts on. I think they're just too big. And they seem to be interfering with the tires. Displaying your model on a mirrored base often helps show off the detail underneath. I think I sanded this one a little too much and lost a lot of the detail. Before you apply your finish, make sure you use an alcohol wipe to clean the surface, so you don't leave any greasy fingerprints. Adding metal etch accessories will give your model a more realistic look. I think the shocks are too long on this model, or maybe the frame is warped. But for some reason, I just can't get all the wheels level, and it just won't sit right on its base. To better display your models, a few coats of future floor polish will make them look really good. Make sure you take your models out once in a while and let all your friends see them. You want to display all the work you have done and hope that they will appreciate it. Sometimes you get to the end of a build and think everything is going well, and then the wheels fall off. Or you find you have cut a piece too short. I wasn't happy with the way the red color looks on this model, so it has to go into the purple pond. After it dries for a couple of days, it can be painted another color. Thanks for watching. Hope it helped. Happy modeling!